that your sticker? Who is the sticker of? Who's that?
Pig face.
Julia, who's that?
Can you do pig face?
Wait, who is that?
Do pig face.
No, I want her to say Elmo. Who's that?
Oh, is that a video?
Yeah.
Oh, who's that?
Who's that?
Mama.
It's Elmo. You like Elmo? Can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa?
Pig face.
Yeah, can you say thank you? Bye. Yeah. Who is that, Julia? Is it Malmo?
Mama.
Hi.
Who is that?
Mama.
That's right, that's Elmo.
Your face.
Those are Elmo stickers.
That's so great.
Yay.
Mama.
Yeah, do you like Elmo? You got an Elmo sticker on you and everything.
That's awesome.
Yay, Elmo.
Elmo! Loves him.
Yay, right?
Elmo's on your hand! How did he get there? Came all the way from Sesame Street to be on a sticker for you.
Mama.
Yeah!
Somebody can't get...
Is it Melmo or is it Elmo? I'm not actually clear on that.
Elmo.
Mamo.